Alright, so today we're going to walk through how to write Hello World in C# using Visual Studio, and we're going to do it as a Windows Forms application. So go ahead and start up Visual Studio, File, New, and we're going to go ahead and create a new project, Windows Forms application, and I'll just call it Hello World Forms Demo. Alright, so when you hit OK, that's going to go ahead and create a new project for us with a program.cs file, a default form, and then some standard references, those sorts of things. But here's our form, and the first thing that we can do is go ahead and let's add a label to the form. And for now, we're just gonna let's just make it blank. So come down to the properties, text. We're just gonna make it an empty string right now. Let's also add a button, and the text for the button can just be something like something simple. Press me, and let's give our button a name. It doesn't really matter what the name is. Now if we come over in the form designer over here and we double click the button, that's automatically going to take us to the code behind file for the form, and it automatically added this click event for us. So this is the event that's going to fire whenever the button is clicked. Let's actually go back to the designer for a second, and one thing that we didn't do was we did not give our label a name. So let's go ahead and give it a name. We'll just say Hello World Label. Now if we go to our code behind, we can access it, Hello World Label, and it has the text property. And we're just going to set that property now to Hello World. So now this blank form, well, the form that we added our button and our label to is going to start up when the application begins. When the button is pressed, it's going to change the text of our label to say Hello World. So now let's run it. You hit F5 on your keyboard, or you can press the debugger button up here. But now if we hit our press me button, the label changes to Hello World. It is that simple. You of course could have done this with a text box or anything like that. It didn't have to be a label, but it was nice and simple. And that is it. That is Hello World in Windows Forms. Thanks for watching.